have these two young gentlemen. I was introduced to both of them through brother Ahmed, who is our brother who helps us with the heating and AC system. Basically, we were discussing with a different builder. At that time, I met with brother Ahmed, and he said that, why do you want to go to that other guy? And he said that we have got better ones. So we learned about these two gentlemen. In fact, Syed his center, we were building in his center. So I had to find some reference about these two young gentlemen. And what I learned from him is that when I was talking to one of your trustees, and he said, all he said was, they are like my sons. And in fact, not only they are like your sons, but they are like my sons too, after all this. And it's been really a pleasure. And one thing that I would like to mention about these two gentlemen is that's why if somebody asks me, I had several phone calls from different projects that they took over. But one thing I just basically summarizes these two gentlemen is that, every month we meet and he shows me the expense that happens, and I just sign the expense and write him a check. And one time I told Ahmed, I don't know whether you remember that, I said, Ahmed, I've never checked you, I really trusted you, and I signed all your checks. He said, I'm not worried, it's all between me and Allah. When you have that kind of a faith, and it really tells you about their honesty. We had an ups and downs, of course, when you have it, but if I have to do it all over again, I think that we will probably end up, having them, and I hope that they feel the same about us, And one last thing, we were just when we met them, I had no idea about who they were, and he told me that my mother is in Karbala. I had no idea that his mother goes to Karbala. Same thing, I showed him the haram of Zainabia Zainab, and he said every time he goes to Lebanon, he visits Zainabia. These are the things which does not happen just by itself. This is from Imam Ali, this is from Allah, this is a blessing to us, and I hope that you guys feel the same about us, that we really love you guys, and thank you from the bottom of our heart, from our community. We thank you for all the help and all the things that you did for us, and may Allah bless you guys.